A big deadline approaching in just a couple of weeks. March 31st marks the date for anyone looking for health care coverage under the nation's Affordable Care Act. That push is on, and Marcia Bonhart is asking questions about it as a special guest comes to town.
Well, that deadline is so critical. Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius is making her way through critical places like Ohio. The Buckeye State has a large uninsured population. More than 1 million in this state still don't have health care.
We have 2 weeks, 14 days for Dayton to get covered.
That was the message first from Dayton's mayor.
Currently, 19% of adults in Montgomery County ages 18 to 64 are uninsured.
But there are thousands more uninsured in Ohio. House Speaker John Boehner says he is still receiving emails and phone calls about what he calls a broken health care law. Families who say their health care cost has actually spiked because of the ACA, and Mr. Boehner charges some businesses will also suffer. Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius in Dayton this week has an answer. Telling small business owners that this is still a bad idea. Can you respond to that, please?
Well, here's what we know about the business market and the way the law is written. If you are an employer with less than 50 full-time employees, the law does not apply to you at all. There is no employer responsibility.
Sebelius says for small businesses that have more than 50 full-time workers, the employer can qualify for tax credits up to 50% of the coverage being offered. Mohammed Al-Hamdani is the only employee of a nonprofit group. His employer chose to give him a small stipend, which he used to buy health coverage, and it was just in time.
A really, really low premium, a really, really low copay, and almost no deductible, which was really important to me because I don't make a lot of money. I was actually hospitalized for a few days to make sure that I was okay.
One physician told Secretary Sebelius this morning that every year 45,000 people in this country die because they have diseases that have not been cared for and just get out of hand because the people don't have the coverage for primary care. WDTN tells you where you can sign up for the ACA before the March 31st deadline. Marcia Bonhart, 2 News, working for you.